Jimmy.
Now, what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up happen.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as yeah. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like yeah, 5'6". I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dry, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-Wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot keys. Strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater. Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounce. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thought, grow with the marijuana. Waking up with the fun, open up some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, she pull the trigger and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them can make profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and stop. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang, making profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on, folks? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My name is Michael Edward Paranati. I go by Michael Edward. I'm the co-founder and head trader at True Trading Group. In case you guys didn't know, we were a Benzinga FinTech Awards finalist last year for Best Data Analysis Tool. We are up for another award this year, and we are coming for that prize. The awards dinner is actually tomorrow. So my partner and I, we're going to be going to the awards ceremony tomorrow. We will be taking some pictures. We'll be getting some footage there. We'll share it with our TTG fam, but wish us the very best of luck. But it's not just about winning awards. True Trading Group is also the fastest growing and highest rated premium online educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, live workshops, and individual mentorship and coaching for stocks, options, crypto, futures. We day trade, we swing trade, we cover long-term investing, folks. There is literally something for everybody here at True Trading Group. Now, if you're wondering why you should listen to anything it is that I have to say on this YouTube channel, guys, it's because I did not figure this stuff out on my own. I began my trading career working at T3 Alpha Fund in New York City, my first job out of college. While there, they had me go through a several-month-long training program before they let me touch even $1 of the fund's money. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the big stock market crash, but it's also the same year that I received one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards. Now you fast forward, and I'm the co-founder and head trader at True Trading Group, along with my team of 8 other professional full-time trading mods and an over 30-person staff. We've helped thousands of members from all over the world to reach their goals. True Trading Group has over 10,000 members in over 115 different countries. I think it's actually 117 different countries now at this point. Might be 116. Don't quote me on that. Okay. Truly a global community here at True Trading Group. I don't want to hear that you have a busy schedule. I don't want to hear that you don't have time. We have members from all over the globe in all different time zones. We have a mobile app. Simply download it. It's free for members. It allows you to see the screen share, listen to the audio commentary, and most importantly, receive real-time push notifications when our moderators enter and exit positions. Now, you're going to want to pay attention when our moderators enter and exit positions, because collectively as a group, we've been able to maintain a cumulative win rate on all of our executions of just around 80%, now going on roughly the last 5 years. We upload our trading activity from our brokerage accounts onto the TeachD website so you can see every single transaction, every buy, every take profit, every stop loss, every green trade, red trade, break-even trade, so you can see for yourself how you would be performing had you been following along with those trade alerts. It's all right there for you guys to see. We're fully transparent. We are an open book. It's also going to be a big week for us. It's going to be a big week for us because tomorrow, and I said this to you guys on the live stream last night, tomorrow, not only are we as a company being recognized for what it is that we're doing here with the retail trader and the success that our members are having, not only are we being recognized by other industry insiders, like I said, being up for an award tomorrow at the Benzinga FinTech Awards. That's a big deal for us, but also to have really strengthened and finalized our partnership with the NASDAQ. And we're actually being invited over to the NASDAQ. And it's actually, I thought it was going to be Wednesday. It's actually tomorrow. So my business partner and I also will be going to the NASDAQ tomorrow. We're actually going to be streaming. I'm going to live stream for you guys tomorrow at the NASDAQ studio. I'm going to live stream right here with you guys in the afternoon. We're going to have a whole ton of a lot of fun. We're going to be then our company logo and our name is going to be displayed on the big screen, the NASDAQ screen tower. That's right in the middle of Times Square. So we're going to be out there. We're going to be taking pictures with it. It's a big week for us. Tomorrow's a big day for True Trading. It's a big day for the platform, for the community. And it's nice to see that industry insiders like Benzinga, like the NASDAQ are recognizing what we are doing here at True Trading Group. And what we're doing here is none other than helping retail traders reach their goals. It is helping retail traders become successful. It's giving them a real fair chance of succeeding in the stock market. When I say succeeding in the stock market, I very simply mean making money. And today was a huge day for us inside of TTG. I gave you guys some trade ideas last night on the YouTube channel. This is why I tell everybody, do not ever miss out on these YouTube channels or on these YouTube streams. Okay, make sure you set your reminders, turn notifications on, because every time that you miss one of these videos, you miss a chance out on making money. I gave you last night my top trade ideas for the week. I literally gave you a list of stocks and I told you where I'm getting in and where I'm getting out. They all worked today. We had a big day inside True Trading Group. Affirm, VST, Coinbase, I mean, you name them, we hit on them. It was a big day for us. And as we sit here now, there's also some news that just broke about DJT possibly trying to acquire BKKT, a crypto banking platform there. And that's got BKKT rocketing up 146% here in the after hours, which we'll talk about that news. We'll talk about all of that and what I think if there's a trade there for us. A lot of our members caught that squeeze into the close. I didn't personally trade BKKT, full disclosure. I didn't trade it. A lot of our members did. I was getting myself ready to do this live stream with you guys. So I wasn't trading BKKT going into the closing bell when that news came out. The stock just took off and started halting. But we've reached a resistance level now in the low 30s, which we talked about inside of chat. So we make it a little bit of a consolidation here. We'll talk more about that as we get deeper on into the live stream. But there's other things that I want to cover with you, like the overall market. We got to start preparing for Nvidia earnings. And I take this back to why it's important for you guys to be on these YouTube streams, because just yesterday, even if you're not a member of True Trading Group, if you were just on the YouTube channel, you guys could have made money, because I told you, I just handed it to you, what stocks I think are going to do what today and this week, and how I plan on making money. And we got the entry points on those stocks today. And it was a big week. It was a big day for us, right? It was a big day for us. And why wouldn't it be? The pressure is on. I told you guys last night, we're going to make money this week. It's going to be a big week. We've got obviously the Benzinga Awards. We got the NASDAQ showing in the middle of Times Square. We got a lot going on. And while all that's taking place, we still have trading to do, right? We've still got Nvidia earnings on Wednesday that I'll talk to you guys a little bit more about on here. But again, I go back and I'm so damn proud. I really am I'm so damn proud of every single person that is part of True Trading Group. And I'm not just talking about the team that works at True Trading Group. I'm talking about every single one of our members. I'm so damn proud of every single one of you for being part of this community, for being part of this group, for investing in yourselves, for believing in yourselves, for wanting better, for wanting more, for being determined, for being motivated, for taking the steps necessary to take control of your own financial futures. Because that's what each and every single one of you are doing. You're saying, the hell with everything else. I will not accept mediocrity. I am going to take this to the next level. And you have believed in us. You believed in our platform. You believed in the tools and resources. You believed in Adam and I's vision for this company. You believed in all the moderators and the team. And you believed in, most importantly, yourself. And that is what's gotten us to here to this day right now. We started out in 2017 at True Trading Group with 20 people inside of a chat room. And here we sit now today in 2024, up for a Benzinga FinTech Award, being recognized by the NASDAQ for the work that we're doing with retail traders, and sitting here today with over 10,000 members in 117 different countries. None of that is possible without each and every single one of you. And you might be wondering, if you're not a member of True Trading Group, well, then how did you do that? How you guys must have spent a ridiculous amount of money on marketing. The exact opposite. We don't really spend money on marketing like a lot of other companies. We let our members do the marketing for us, because we have always believed from day one that if our members were actually successful, if they actually made money, then our community would grow through nothing more than word of mouth. Because if you join a community, you're making a ton of money, you're going to be eager and anxious to tell your friends, your family members, and your coworkers. And then they're going to join because they see the success that you had. And then when they become successful, they're going to be eager and anxious to tell their friends, their family members, and their coworkers. And then they're going to join because they see how successful that person was. And that's how our community has grown from 20 to over 10,000 in just a few years. And when I say successful, I actually mean they are making money. That's why we're here. That's why you're here. That's why you're on this YouTube channel, and you're not messing around with doing a million other things that you could be doing. And I believe that not because I just feel it in my bones. No, it's because this is what members actually tell us, that they are making money, that they are becoming better traders. You don't believe me? Watch this. Members of True Trading Group, if you're on this live stream right now, do me a favor, type the number 1. If you're making money, if you're becoming better traders, type the number 1 in chat right now. This is for members only. For those of you that are on the YouTube stream right now and you are not a member, pay very close attention to how many people are going to type the number 1. Because every single one of these people are your peers. They are your friends, your family members, your coworkers, your Uber drivers. That is who these people are. And if they are making money, then that means so can you. I don't want to hear that you have a full-time job, you don't have time. I don't want to hear that you don't have enough money or enough experience, because these people are not luckier than you. They don't have more time than you. 82% of our members have a full-time job. So if they can do this, then so can you. There's nothing, I love these people to death, but there's nothing special about them that makes them better or more probable of success than you. They've just joined True Trading Group. They've received a real professional level of education. They received the same training that I received when I worked at a fund in New York. That's the level of education you get when you join True Trading Group. You get access to the tools and resources that it literally is the reason why we are nominated for a Benzinga FinTech Award now for 2 years in a row, because of the tools and resources that we have on our platform that you guys get access to when you become part of this community. There's a reason why these companies are recognizing what we are doing here for the retail trader. It's because what we do here works. It's because what we do here results in our members making money. And that's what matters most. And how could they not make money? Because of the analysis that we give you guys on a daily basis. Again, it's not just me. There's 8 other professional full-time traders inside True Trading Group that share their screens, that tell you what they're doing, that answer questions, that give you all of their trade alerts. But even if you weren't a member, you have to take a second and realize the quality of the analysis that you receive here is second to none. And I'm going to show that to you, exactly what that analysis looks like. Because even if you weren't a member and you were just on the YouTube channel yesterday, you guys could have had big days today. Because yesterday I came on here and I told you exactly what my game plan was and what I thought individual stocks were going to do and how I planned on making money today. So what I would like to do is, now you don't have to take my word for it. The live stream is right on the YouTube channel. I literally just did it yesterday. So it's right here on the YouTube channel. When we're done here, you can go back and you can watch the whole live stream if you'd like to. But I figure I'll save you the hour and a half that I was live streaming yesterday. I went and I grabbed a couple of minute video clips that talk about my analysis for today. And we're going to go over what did the stocks end up doing today? What did I say yesterday that I thought they would do? And then what did they actually do? And let's go ahead and take a look and let's dissect what those stocks actually did today. And then most importantly, where do we think those stocks then go from here? And then how do we prepare for Nvidia's earnings on Wednesday? So I grabbed a quick little video clip. Now, again, this is yesterday's live stream, guys. This is not from today. This is last night's live stream. I'm going to grab this video clip. We're going to start with Affirm. Okay, there's 3 stocks that I want to highlight here for you. I gave you guys detailed trade plans on Affirm, on Coinbase, and on Vistra Corp. Vistra Corp, that's VST. So it's Affirm, Coin, and VST. Those are 3 stocks that we're going to highlight for you guys here today. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up a video clip of Affirm. What I want you to listen to and I want you to see in this video, I want you to watch and see the candle that I draw for you on the chart last night. Again, pay very close attention to the candle that I draw on the chart from last night. Joe, let's go ahead and play that video clip for Affirm. Let's zoom all the way. Whoa, let's zoom all the way out. And then all of a sudden you see this huge resistance level that you had there in December. And then I go, let's zoom all the way out even further. And then that level used to be support. Then you broke underneath it in 2022. And then it became resistance. And then it was resistance again and resistance again and resistance again. And you broke through that level last week, pulled it back in to retest it, got this beautiful, nice, strong green candle, a bullish engulfing candle from this previous day here. So Friday was a bullish engulfing candle off of Thursday's pullback. And this tells me that this level that used to be resistance was clearly broken with heavy volume on the daily chart. You pulled back in, consolidated, retested that prior resistance. Now it's confirmed support. And let's see if Affirm can give us some more upside here. So you guys paid attention, like I just said, right? Pay attention to the candle that I drew for you on the chart yesterday. Then let's take a look at the candle that actually happened today. There it is. So there's the exact same candle that we talked about that we drew on the live stream last night. We said, watch for the gap and the go and the push into the low 60s. That is verbatim what you just heard me say. It's verbatim. If you guys were on the live stream last night, you got that analysis, you would have seen it for yourselves. And if you guys are just seeing it here for the first time, then now you can see why a lot of our members are able to have turned the corner and make money and are becoming successful because of this type of analysis, this type of education, and the trade alerts that they're going to be receiving. You guys have a choice. You can either just, you can follow along with all the trade alerts that the moderators send to you. You get real-time push notifications sent to your cell phone when we get in and out of our positions. So you guys can follow along with all of those alerts, and you guys can go through the courses at your own pace, on your own time, and actually learn this stuff so that you have a better understanding of why it is that we do what we do. That's my suggestion to you in order to get the most out of our membership and in order for you guys to really take your trading to the next level and reach the goals that you guys have all sought out for yourselves. That's my advice to you. But just pay attention to the trade alerts, right? Pay attention to the trade alerts. That was Affirm, right? We gave you guys that last night. Another one that we gave you last night was Coinbase. This was trade of the day for me. This is the biggest P&L trade for me today, and I'm still in some of this position. I am not flat this position. So again, full transparency. I took profit off a bunch today, but I'm still in Coinbase. I entered this trade today. I told you yesterday that I was entering Coinbase today, and I told you exactly where I was entering Coinbase today. So this is a video clip, again, from last night's live stream. Pay very close attention to the candle once again that I draw on the Coinbase chart and where I tell you that I'm going to be buying the stock today. Again, this is a video clip from last night. Joe, let's play that clip for Coinbase. I still think that you might see a little bit more upside here on Coinbase. You have a nice little double top resistance level in the low 330s. I think we're going to get back up and test that level. So I'm looking for 9 EMA, the light blue line on my screen. It was support on Thursday, Friday. Let's look for that to continue to be support. And if you can get this trade line to work its way to the upside like this, then I think that any little pullback there on Coinbase like this into that trade line, I think is viable. And I think you can see a little bit more upside there on Coinbase. So that was the candle I drew for you last night. That's the candle that the stock put in today. There it is. It is exactly what we drew for you last night. You heard me say I'm looking for a pullback into the 9 EMA. That was support last week. I think it's going to be support again this week. I said pullbacks into the 9 EMA, which is the light blue line you see on my screen. We said that that's viable. Well, where's the low of the day today? Right there, right against the 9 EMA. I'm long Coinbase from $291 right into that 9 EMA. And the stock exploded going all the way to $329, right into your big resistance level. Now, I took profits off into this move. I'll take you guys into a 3-minute chart now, and we'll just draw this out. There was the support level that we drew for you guys last night. I said down into the trade line. We're going to look for support. This is trade line. Trade line, don't search trade line on your charts. You're not going to find it. That's just common trader slang. It's the 9 EMA. You can also use the 8, the 10, the 11, the 12. They're all going to be extremely similar. They're going to be off by a couple of pennies. I personally use the 9, but other traders use the 8. Some traders use the 11. Doesn't matter. I use the 9. We dropped right into my buy zone of 290. We put in a nice bottoming tail candle. I got an increase in volume on the bottoming tail, and that was my confirmation signal to go ahead and get long. And that's exactly what I did. I got long right inside of that candle, guys, at 291 and change. Okay, I took the trade long. And I told all of our members, if you guys want to follow me on the trade, it's a swing trade. So go after the 11/29 expiration, $310 strike call. Those call options are already up like 150% today alone. Okay, and I'm still in some of this position. And essentially what I did here, guys, was I just took profits off all along the way. I took one piece of profit here. I took another piece of profit here. We took another one here. And then we took another one all the way up into this breakout there today. So it was profits, 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 and then another piece of profit there up into the close. And again, I'm long from 291. I'm still long some of this position. We're going to see if 308, 310 area can be support now, but I'm really trying to hold on to this, guys, for a new 52-week high. I'm looking for a break of this resistance. We got to keep eyes on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just consolidating in the low 90s. I think Bitcoin's going to make an attempt at 100K. And I think that Coinbase and MicroStrategy, I think MicroStrategy can make a new all-time high. I think Coinbase can make a new 52-week high. So I want to try to stay long in this sector. I'm still long Bitcoin. We've been long Bitcoin on this channel for the last couple of months. If you guys have been on the channel following along, I'm still long Bitcoin. I'm looking for that 100K to take some off. So we'll see if we can get that breakout on Coinbase. We took profits into the resistance level as the low 330s. We got there we got to 329.50, 330. We got there today. So we took profits into it. Now we're going to hold on and see if we can extend. I'm still in about 20 to 20. I don't know the exact math because it's not a whole number. It's between 20 and 25% of my original position size. So the original position I bought at 291, I'm still in about 20, 25% of that position, looking to see if we can break through this resistance and make a new 52-week high. On any pullback that we get, I'm just going to sit tight during the pullback, and I'm going to hold through the consolidation, and we're going to look to see if we can just get this thing up into the 340s, and that's when I'll start peeling more profit off into the 340s as we break the new 52-week high. So that's going to be the game plan there with regards to Coinbase. Okay, and then I've got one more for you guys here. This is a video clip from, again, last night's live stream where I talked to you guys about Vistra Corp. That's VST. This was my second biggest P&L trade of the day today, and this is VST. Now, what I want you guys to pay attention to here with this video clip is, once again, the candle that I draw for you on the chart last night. Again, way to go, Diane. Diane says, yes, I made money from coin. I'm still holding some contracts. Thank you. Diane Zamora, great job. Great trading. Well done. Well done. Great job. And that goes to everybody else. Everybody else here. Great job. Yo, Wizard, what's up, brother? Leonis, how are you, man? Yes, we killed the stock market today. Diane is a beast. Diane is a beast. Diane is actually doing her boot camp this weekend. Don't forget about that, guys. We have the small account boot camp this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. And then we got the small account challenge where our members are going to be competing against each other for cash prizes, $3,000 to first place, $1,000 to second place, $500 to third place. And also first prize winner is going to also receive an apprenticeship at True Trading Group. They'll become part of the TGG team. They're going to get mentored by all the professional traders and the moderators at True Trading Group, and they will have a chance to be evaluated over the course of a year to potentially be offered a full-time mod position working at True Trading Group. So potential life-changing stuff there with that small account challenge for one lucky winner. And I can't wait. It's going to be a whole hell of a lot of fun. I wish you guys all the best of luck. I look forward to it. It's going to be a whole bunch of fun. All right. But back to the charts. That's Coinbase. Congratulations. Biggest P&L trade for us today. Then we've got VST. Joe, let's go ahead and play the video clip for VST. Last but not least, Vistra Corp, VST. Okay, VST. We're going to look for this to give us a candle that looks like that. The reason why we're looking for that, well, you guys can see this used to be resistance. We broke through it. You then pulled it back in. And this area that used to be resistance is now acting as support. And the 9 EMA, which is this light teal blue line on my screen, is now caught up, acting as support. And we're going to look for some of the nuclear names. We're going to look for them to give you a little bit more upside. And there it was, guys. There it was, right? So you just saw the candle there that we drew last night. We said we're looking for that to give us a little more upside. And that's exactly what we got today. You can see this nice little upward upside move today as VST went on to make a new all-time high today. And we took profits all along into it. We are down to a smaller size position again. We got long right there at 144.04. Members got into the 11/22 expiration $145 strike call option. And we just started to scale out of this thing as we moved higher. So I took one piece of profit here. I took another piece of profit here. And we just kept taking profits off all along the way. On VST as the stock climbed to new all-time high. I'm sorry, this was not that high of a take profit. That last take profit was down here. Okay. And then you got this little pullback into the afternoon. So you really weren't able to hold that breakout. But I'm still long a piece from 144. And we're going to see if the stock can stabilize. If it gets back to like 144, I'll exit the last piece of this position. But this is just an absolute beautiful move, guys. You can see here in at 144, profit, 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 all along the way to the new all-time high. And again, these are trades that were drawn out for you right from the weekly watch list. I gave this to you guys last night. I went live on this YouTube channel at 6:30 p.m. Eastern. I gave you my top trade ideas for the week. Here they are. Here they were. And here's what they did today. And our members were able to capitalize and make some money today. So congratulations, everybody. Everyone that is a member of True Trading Group that made money on these trades. And honestly, congratulations to all of our YouTube viewers if you guys made money on this trade, right? If you guys were able to watch the videos or watch the live stream last night, you tuned in, hopefully maybe you guys were able to take that analysis and make some money today. Right? So there you guys have that. We got BKKT is on the move right now, guys, actually starting to squeeze. There's BKKT now up to $34. Resistance here, we got to the first level of resistance, which was that like 32 zone. Now you're trying to break through. 36, 37 is your next resistance, which is the gap fill. Okay, you have a gap to fill on BKKT up there around that level right here. Okay, this is the gap down in February. That takes you guys right back into that 36, 37. Okay, there it is. Like, yeah, 36 and change. That's your next level of resistance is BKKT is on the move after hours. Now, the news here with BKKT is that DJT is maybe looking to acquire BKKT. We know that that Donald Trump has positioned himself to be more receptive and friendly to crypto. It's well known that as soon as he takes office, he's firing Gary Gensler, head of the SEC. If you guys recall, the SEC sent out Wells notices to a bunch of different companies about crypto, and Gary Gensler was very tough on crypto and the regulation there. And Trump has positioned himself to be more crypto friendly, which is why Bitcoin has exploded following the election to new all-time highs, as well as all these crypto names. Then you have a situation where DJT, Trump's media company, now says they're looking to acquire BKKT, and BKKT apparently is a banking platform that involves crypto. And that is why you're seeing all of these short positions get the hell out of Dodge, not wanting to be in this position because nobody necessarily knows what is this regulation going to look like once Trump takes office. What is going to be the change, if any, with crypto? And what does that mean then for these companies? If DJT were to acquire BKKT, does that mean DJT is going to take on a little bit more of a role as a crypto banking platform instead of just the media platform and the social media platform that it is today? We'll have to wait and see. So DJT popped on the back of this news, but BKKT being the takeover target is the one that's really moving. There's a good short position in this stock. And I do think that there's more room to the upside here. As we're talking, it's now hitting $35, but I do think that there could be more upside here for a possible short squeeze. Okay, that's what it is. This is a short squeeze, right? Obviously, you're going to have some people on social media, they're going to come in, they're going to buy the name. But in my opinion, I really look at this and I say BKKT was not a great company. The stock has performed very poorly. It's got a decent short position in it. And I just feel like all of those short positions are like, I want no part of this. If this is going to get acquired by DJT, I want no part of it. I'm getting the hell out. And that's what I think you're seeing. Okay. So I think you could see more of a short squeeze here. I don't try to make predictions on where short squeezes are going to go because it's a coin flip. Short squeezes will always tend to go further than anybody anticipates, but short squeezes, because that's essentially what a short squeeze is, that it pushes higher. People short it, they get squeezed. More people short it, they get squeezed, and things just goes further than anybody ever thought. The same time that you say that, as violent as short squeezes are to the upside, they're just as violent to the downside once the momentum cracks. I think it's foolish to try to pick tops on short squeezes. You're asking for trouble. For me, I'd rather just get into the short squeeze trade, ride it, take profits along the way until you run out of shares. And when you run out of your position, it's the best problem for a trader to have. You take profits so much that you run out of a position. Best problem for anybody to have. Okay. I'm curious to see real quick. You guys saw how many members that we have on the YouTube channel. You guys saw how many members were actually making money. Let me just see real quick, in case anybody missed it. We got some more people that joined the live stream since we've been talking here. In case you guys missed it, my members, my TTG fam, do me a favor, type the number one more time. If you guys are making money and if you're becoming better traders, go ahead and type the number one. Go ahead and type the number one if you guys are making money and becoming better traders. Anyone that's on this live stream, if you guys are not a member, you should pay very close attention to how many people that we have here that are telling you that they're making money, they're becoming better traders. So there you guys have it, right? And now those of you that are not members, you saw the analysis, you saw the trades. This isn't your first time here. This isn't your first rodeo. You've been on this YouTube channel before. So now I'm actually curious to see how many people are on the live stream that are not members. Do me a favor, guys, type the letters TTG. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, type the letters TTG. Let's see how many people we have on here that are not part of the community, just so I know kind of how I want to tailor the rest of this content here. If you're not a member, go ahead and type TTG real quick. So go ahead, type the letters TTG if you're not a member of True Trading Group. So yeah, guys, man, what a day. It's just a great day. Great way to start the week, right? More on Wall Street. What's up, brother? How are you? James Thomas, how are you? What's up? 7 straight green days because of TTG, says J.E. Blanco. Great job. We got Anubis. What's up? How are you? Jason G says, not yet. I like the attitude, though, Jason. Not yet. Not just a no. It was a not yet. And I like that, Jason. I really do. I like that a lot. Here's what I'm going to do. Okay. Now, in case you guys are just tuning in, this is a big week for us as a company. So like I said, we're up for a Benzinga FinTech Award tomorrow. So Adam, who's my business partner and the co-founder of True Trading Group with me, we're going to the award ceremony tomorrow. So wish us the best of luck. But we're also being recognized by the NASDAQ tomorrow. I'm going to be live streaming here on the YouTube channel from the NASDAQ studio. We're going to watch the closing bell. And then we're going to go outside and we're going to take photos in front of the NASDAQ LED tower screen that's in the middle of Times Square, because they're going to be displaying the True Trading Group logo and the True Trading Group, our True Trading Group company name on that as a sign and recognition of what it is that we're doing, our relationship with the NASDAQ, and what it is that we're doing with the retail traders. So it's a big day for us. It's a big week for us. Now, last night we're in the middle of running our sale. It's our holiday sale. The way that we do things at True Trading Group is I don't run a Black Friday sale. I don't do a Christmas sale. I don't do a New Year's sale. What we did is we just take the price of our membership in the holiday season. We drop it all the way down, a 66% discount. And then as the days go on, we raise the price up every day until we get to January and we get back to our original price, because we believe that the people that act sooner deserve to be rewarded. So the sooner you join, the cheaper the price is for you. If you wait until Christmas, it's going to be significantly more expensive than it is today. So don't think that, Christmas, they're going to run a sale, it's going to be cheaper. It's not. This is the sale. It just goes up a little bit every single day until you get to the new year. The membership to True Trading Group is normally $2,212 for the year. However, if you're on this live stream, you guys can go to ttgoffer.com right now and pay just $747 for the whole year. There is no upsell. There is no additional cost. There is no hidden fee for anything that you see on that page. So again, it's a 66% discount at $747. By tomorrow, okay, you're going to be over 800. And we're going to keep working our way up and up and up and up until we get back to our original pricing by January. Okay? So you guys can go to ttgoffer.com. Everything you see on that page, so ttgoffer.com, everything on that page is included in the 747. So everything on that page, 22 course curriculum, which is a simplified version of what I learned working at the fund, beginner courses and advanced courses, Benzinga Pros, real-time news feed, Trading Views premium charting software, the Trade Idea Scanner, unusual options activity, options flow, dark pool data, 1,000 hours of workshops in our video library. All of this is included for the 747 for 365 days. No upsell for any of it. And I know I talk a big game on these streams, but I back it up with our own money, and this is how I prove it to you. When you join True Trading Group, we offer you a double your money back guarantee. That means if you are unable to make back the $747, we give you back $1,494. That's how much we believe in the platform that we've created. All I ask is you do the following. The double your money back guarantee is right there on the checkout page. It is in black and white. Yes, it's real. Go read it. I ask you to do the following. You join today, you pay $747. Go through the courses, pass the quizzes, and attend one study group throughout the year. You don't have to do this all within 30 days. You have the entire year. Take your time, go at your own pace. There's no rush. Do it right. Okay, I'm not saying, you got to do this all in 30 days. Otherwise, your double your money back guarantee expires. No, your double your money back guarantee is good for the entire year. You do those things. If you're unable to make enough winning trades to equal 747 at least one time, we'll give you back $1,494. That's double what you're paying. That's how confident we are in the platform that we've created here at True Trading Group. Because it works. There's a reason why companies like Benzinga and the NASDAQ are recognizing what we're doing at True Trading Group. It's because our members are actually having success. And that's the difference. So all you need to do is go to ttgoffer.com. I'm going to leave this for 10 more people. I'm going to leave it for 10 more people. Okay. That's it. And then we got to move the price up. It's first come, first serve. Directly to ttgoffer.com. 10 up. Now it's 9. We got to welcome Maria. Guys, everybody welcome Maria. Welcome back, Maria. Maria used to be a trial member. Now Maria just joined. So Maria, welcome back, Maria. 9 spots now remain for the 747 price point. Then that price is going to move back up. Okay, so everybody welcome Maria. Guys, listen, if you used to be a member, used to be a trial member, or you currently are a trial member, you must text the phone number at the bottom of the screen so we can give you the 747 price point. We just have to whitelist your email address since there's already an account connected to your email. We have to whitelist it so that you can get the 747 price point. So you just have to text that number, 1-888-621-2127. Again, 1-888-621-2127. Text that number with any questions, any concerns, anything you want to know, having a problem at checkout, whatever. Text that number. We're fully transparent. We are an open book. So Maria, welcome to the family. 9 of those spots remain. Again, folks, that's ttgoffer.com. All right. So there we have it. So all of you that are typing TTG, take advantage, guys. One more day, 9 more spots, 747. You got the double your money back guarantee, which I don't think you need, but it's there for peace of mind. Our refund rate at True Trading Group, guys, is less than 2%. So that's why I have no problem offering double your money back. If our refund rate was 12%, I wouldn't be able to give you guys double your money back on the 12% of the people that are getting the refunds, right? But it's less than 2%. Okay. And we have to welcome Diana. Diana just joined. Guys, everybody welcome Diana. 8 spots now remain. Guys, these spots are going to go quick. Diana, welcome to the platform. 8 spots left. Again, guys, that's ttgoffer.com. ttgoffer.com. 8 spots now remain. Any questions? Oh, no. Andre or Andre, I see you just signed up for the trial. Let me be very clear. Andre, you just signed up for the trial. I need to be fully transparent. I don't want anybody to think I pulled a fast one on them. Now is not the time for the trial. Let me explain why. Right now, I'm offering you a full annual membership for $747. No upsells, everything that's on that page. There's no upsells on anything that's on that page, okay, on ttgoffer.com. All that's included. But if you go through the trial membership, you do not have access to the sale price. So if you join the trial membership and then you decide, I want to join, it's going to cost you over $1,400 for the membership. And again, I just want to be transparent with you. I don't want you to go through your trial and then be like, hey, I'm ready to join. You guys are great. And then we're like, okay, it's $1,420. And you're like, what? I thought it was $747. So I don't want to pull a fast one on you. I don't want to shock you. I don't want to surprise you with anything. Okay. I want to start this relationship off on the right foot. Okay. So if you have no problem paying the $1,400 after the trial, then by all means go through the trial. But that's why I'm saying it's not the day for the trial, because you can join now for half of that, $747 instead, and you have a double your money back guarantee on the $747. So it doesn't make any sense for you to go through the trial and then pay $1,400 when you can join now for $747 and get the double your money back guarantee with it. But if you want to do the trial first and you don't care about the $1,400, Andre, that's fine. You do it that way. But I just want everybody to be to know and understand how the sale works. So if you want the $747 price, here. Oh, wait, this is really good. Jason G, top 3 reasons to join. Jason, so here's the deal. Jason, I'm not going to answer that question for you, brother, and I really respect the question. I really do. But Jason, I'm going to let our members answer that question for you. Okay? So Jason, guys, listen, members, I need your help. So here's Jason. Jason's considering joining. Jason was the person that said not yet when I said if you're not a member. Now, Jason said, what are the top 3 reasons why I should join? Members, what are your top 3 reasons? How would you answer Jason? Members, go ahead right now and type the top 3 reasons why you think Jason should join True Trading Group. Jason, I think take a moment, brother, read some of the comments that come through from members, and then I'll answer the question for you as well on why I think that you should join. But just read some of the comments from members. Invest in yourself, profitable, profits, profitable, because Mike's the GOAT. I'm not the GOAT. Education, continual education and community. Again, guys, members, if you guys can just, type in chat, what are your top reasons? Why do you think Jason should join? You won't find a better educational platform with never-ending support. Education's amazing. Pamela says, because I'm making money. Tony says the mods are amazing with their teaching and their trade alerts. Diana says, reason number 1, education. Reason number 2, how to build wealth. Reason number 3, invest in yourself. Profit, trust, education, excellent market information to act on. 9 mentors giving continual trade alerts. Lots of great information. Anthony took a losing long-term portfolio to now up 30% on the year. So Jason, there you go. Anthony 99 says, I had a losing portfolio. I joined True Trading Group. Now I'm up 30%. We got Mike. We got Adam. Look at 1 and 2. That's good. So Jason, you might not know this, brother, but Adam is my business partner, the co-founder of True Trading Group. I'm the trader. Adam's the business mind behind it. So Adam's responsible for getting all the tools and the resources that are on the platform that members have access to, like TradingView, Trade Ideas, Benzinga, dark pool data, options flow, all of that stuff. Right? That's Adam's department, right? I'm the trader. Adam runs the business side of it, and together, we form True Trading Group. So, Jason, hopefully, brother, you're taking some time. You're reading some of these comments. I'll give you my answers on what are my top 3 reasons why you should join, and I'm going to give you those. Reason number 1 that I think you should join True Trading Group is because our entire business is based on your success. Okay. So what we've done in True Trading Group is that we believed that if our members were successful, that our business would grow. So we've reinvested constantly over the years back into the True Trading Group platform to give members everything that they could possibly need to have the best chance of becoming successful for as affordable as it possibly can be. I don't need to knock people over the head with like a $3,500 a year membership for just alerts and courses. That's ridiculous. It doesn't cost that, right? I want to give people access to the tools and resources they need to have a chance to become successful, because if they are successful, they're going to stay with us, right? Our members stay with us, Jason. That's another reason why I would say that you should join. Members, do me a favor, type the number 2. If you're a lifetime member or you've been a member for longer than 1 year, type the number 2. So Jason, pay attention to this one, because this is going to show you all of our members that have renewed their membership after their membership came due, or they spent thousands of dollars to upgrade to a lifetime membership. Okay. So there's all those people that are typing number 2. So you got to ask yourself, Jason, let's say hypothetically you just joined today and you paid $747. Let's fast forward to November 18th, 2025. It's time for your membership to renew. If you didn't make any money with us, even worse, if you lost money, are you going to renew your membership? Probably not. You're certainly not going to spend thousands to become a lifetime member, right? You would only do that probably if you spent $747 to join. And let's say by the end of the year, you're like, wow, I'm up $20,000 with your trading group. This is great. Then maybe you would renew your membership. Then maybe you would upgrade to become a lifetime member, right? Most likely. So Jason, those are my reasons, man, why I think you should join TTG. And it's not because I think I'm the world's greatest trader. There's 9 professional traders that are with you during the day that share their screens, that call out their trades, that answer questions and provide market commentary. And you're going to get a real professional level of education from us. And you guys have the double your money back guarantee to give you peace of mind if it doesn't work out. We got to welcome David. David, welcome to the family. David, welcome to the TTG fam. Everybody welcome David. 7 spots now remain. Everybody welcome David. 7 spots now remain. Again, guys, go to ttgoffer.com. That's ttgoffer.com. There are 7 spots left for the $747 price point. If you have any questions at all, text us 1-888-621-2127. That's 1-888-621-2127. Text that number with any questions that you guys have. We'll help you out any way that we can. Okay? So again, ttgoffer.com. And then the phone number to text is right down there, 1-888-621-2127. All right? Excellent. There we have it. Hey guys, I'm getting word here. Hold on a second. I think Adam's going to hop on the live stream. I think Adam might have some, he's probably going to tell you everything that I just told you. But I think Adam might be coming on the live stream, folks. I just got a text that said, hey, I'm coming on. Diana, I love Adam. Never a dull moment. Tell me about it. Definitely never a dull moment. Definitely never a dull moment. All right, guys. This BKKT is continuing to squeeze higher. So listen, we got to really talk about, how high do we think this squeeze can go as the stock is now up 225% following that news. And in case you guys are just joining us, the news was that DJT was looking into acquiring BKKT. Okay, so that's why DJT is up 16% on the back of that news. And that's why you have BKKT is up 220% on the back of that news. I said to you guys before where I thought that we had these resistance levels, and I think Adam is coming on, guys. I think he just logged in, so I think Adam is going to jump on here, guys, in just a moment. So he did just log on. So I'll keep going until if he jumps on, guys. But I think Adam is about to pop on. All right, so I told you guys that, that next resistance level that I felt was going to be in those high 30s, 36, 37, right into the gap fill. We've now filled the gap. Next resistance is up around 39 to 40, and then things open up a bit to 44. And then I see after 44, I see 52. Oh, there we go. There he is. What's up, Adam, buddy? Guys. What's going on, man? How are you?
Look at that. Can somebody screenshot that? Joe, put that on the big screen. Somebody take a screenshot of that.
That is cool. Freedom Tower, baby.
Yeah. America. What's up, guys? On? Nothing much, man. I'm going to buy a suit.
I knew that you probably would not have any clothes for tomorrow.
Zero, absolutely zero clothes.
Okay, you do realize you're not going to find a suit that's going to actually fit you, and there's not enough time.
It'll fit better than anything that I have at my house.
That's very true. You should go do that right now before it gets too late.
I'm literally on my way.
Okay, walk faster.
There's cars.
Yeah, make sure you have. I told everybody about tomorrow. So guys, Adam's obviously in New York City right now. So I told everybody about tomorrow, how it's a big day for us. A lot of recognition.
What did you tell them?
I told everybody that we've got the Benzinga Awards tomorrow that we're going to.
Did you tell them what else?
Yeah, I told them we're going to be at the NASDAQ. I told them we're going to be live streaming from the studio. We're going to be watching the close. Then we're going to take pictures by the screen tower.
Did you tell them that we have? Did you tell them that we have a helicopter taking us from NASDAQ to the convention tomorrow?
No, I left that part out.
That's my favorite part.
I know it is. I know that's your favorite part.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we're taking one of the heads, like one of the top people at the NASDAQ in the helicopter with us. It's a very expensive accident if God forbid something should happen tomorrow.
Why would you even say that?
Just kidding. So
we have to take. So the reason why we're taking a helicopter from the NASDAQ is
because it's baller. No, baller.
There's not.
And I got a good deal on Blade. And I got a good deal with Blade.
There's not going to be enough time for
baller.
Us to drive
it's just baller,
across
dude.
The city to downtown to where the awards.
Joe, put me on the big screen, please. It's baller. That's why we're doing it. That's it. Don't let him humble fool you. Okay? There's no justification that you're going to tell 800 people on YouTube as to why you need to take a helicopter 4.5 miles, other than it's baller as F.
Well, I didn't tell 800 people on YouTube.
No, I'm doing it. You're trying to make it. Don't apologize. It's great.
Yes.
It's like, oh, I'm really running late. I gotta get this. I gotta get a. You know what I mean? No. It's awesome.
My wife doesn't want to go on the helicopter.
Neither does mine. They can take an Uber.
Yeah, she's scared. She doesn't want to
go. Together.
Yeah. They'll Uber there.
Anyways. So, no, the baller part is true, but also joking. You know that it's we would be absolutely late if we wouldn't be able to do both things if we didn't.
Right. If we run the risk of missing the awards if there's traffic going downtown. And at that time, it's rush hour. There will be traffic. So we're cutting it real close with what we're doing at the NASDAQ and then having to make it to the award show. It's gonna be tight. So that's why we're not going to take any chances of missing it. That's why we're going to take the helicopter.
Also, I just want to give a big shout out to Hyatt. Y'all do it so much better than Hilton. First 2 nights that I was here, I stayed at the Andaz, which is on 5th Avenue, and it's a Hyatt. It's really nice. The Conrad down by Wall Street, giant piece of shit. I just want to throw that out there.
Okay. All right. Where are you going to get a suit? Where are you going to get a suit?
I'm looking for a place right now, but So you don't
even have a destination. You're just randomly walking.
Yeah, I didn't have a destination when you and I do a lot of things, but we ended up just walking.
Why don't you just Google men's suit and go there?
Because I don't want to do that from my phone.
Why not?
No, I'm just kidding. I don't know.
All right. I mean, bro, you could be walking quite a long time until you find a men's suit place.
Yeah. I mean, I see at Marshall's. They sell suits at Marshall's, right?
If you buy a suit from Marshall's,
It just has to work for tomorrow. Who cares?
You literally just gave a whole speech about taking a helicopter being
so the helicopter thing is cool. Who cares? I don't care what I wear. I also wear fake nice watches because I'm not trusted to wear real ones. I don't mind coming on here and telling all of y'all who I am for real. All right? So don't worry about that.
I don't know if Marshall's has suits, bro. I don't think they do, but I don't know.
I can't find. All right, I'll just keep walking then, I guess. It feels a lot later.
Go inside. I don't know. You know, here, I'll do you a favor. Where are you right now?
I need an adult. If I sit still long enough, will you come find me?
Just tell me where you are.
There's building.
No, like what streets are you on, bro?
That I'm in front of the World Trade Center.
Wow. Marshall's, I mean, they actually do sell suits on the Marshall's website.
Yeah, I'm almost positive that they do.
Okay.
It just has to work for tomorrow. I'll never wear that suit. How many times have you seen me wear a suit?
Yeah. Yeah, it's true. All right. Well, good luck. Good luck.
All right.
Yeah, there might. Yeah, that's actually true. Yeah, Philip, there's a Century 21 down there.
That's what the guy said. Where is it?
Because you can definitely get one at Century 21. 22 Cortlandt Street.
That's a hard no for me, Doug. I don't know where that is.
Yeah, bro, you're not going to know where anything is. You're going to have to put it into your phone like
that's not very nice. I mean, I could know where some things are.
And it'll take you.
I could know where some things are, Michael.
All right, listen. I don't know.
Jesus Christ, bro. It's not fair to say.
Or go to Macy's. Wait, Macy's is not downtown, though.
Yeah, I'm not going anywhere else. Like, I'm just gonna. Maybe I'll just wear jeans. You know what? You know what we should do, honestly?
No.
I should wear basketball shorts and a T-shirt to the NASDAQ thing specifically. That's kind of how I feel about all that, you know?
Okay.
We'll just play it up like a character. Like it's like a character, you know?
Right.
All right. Well,
Jason G. Wait, so Adam, so Jason G is someone that's on the YouTube stream, and he's considering joining. And we were, he asked a bunch of questions. Members were responding, and he said, if you go to the NASDAQ in basketball shorts and t-shirt, he'll join. He said he'll join if you go in basketball shorts and a t-shirt.
Bro, I'm gonna do that anyways, brother.
We got to welcome James, guys. James just joined. There are now 6 spots left. There are 6 of these spots left for 747. We had 10 when we started. We're down to 6. They are first come, first serve, guys. Again, this is the last day for 747. 6 spots left, and the price jumps over 800. So go right to ttgoffer.com or send a text message to 1-888-621-2127. Everybody welcome James to the TTG fam. Welcome, James.
Mike, is Westfield a mall?
Do you see Westfield right now?
Yeah.
Go there.
Is that a mall?
Yeah, go there.
What is it?
It's a shopping center.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can go there.
Yes. It looks like a giant ant farm.
Yep, that's accurate. It's several stories tall. There's people inside.
Yeah, I don't like, I get nervous around people.
I understand.
All right.
Yeah, go to Westfield. You can get a suit there.
I got to show you what I'm looking at. Joe, put me on the big screen. How do I turn my my camera around?
You could just turn the phone if you can't
All
figure
right,
out.
but that's true too.
Oh, the elephant. Oh, that's cool. Octopus?
It's Harambe, an elephant.
An octopus. Where is everybody?
What?
I said, where is everybody? I feel like there's like nobody there.
I mean, I don't know. Oh, James just signed up.
Yes, I know. I just said welcome, James.
Oh, we just got the payment notice.
Yes,
This may be the first time that someone ever signs up because I came on a live stream.
No. That wasn't. That was Jason. James was a trial member that converted to grab the 747 price.
Got it. Well, welcome, James.
Yeah, we're still waiting on you, Jason. We're waiting on you.
See, I think it's funny how Jason thinks it's a dare that I would wear basketball shorts to something fancy.
Adam wears basketball shorts everywhere. The fact that he's not wearing basketball shorts right now is only
it's a weather thing.
Yeah, right, it's a weather thing. Because if he was in Florida right now, he would be in basketball shorts.
Yeah.
So
I don't know what they're doing to that octopus, but that hippo is having all the fun, bro. Joe, put me back on the big screen. Bro, what is the hippo doing?
I don't know, man.
Well, is it weird that I'm jealous of a hippo? I mean, here, Joe, put me back on one more time. Last time. Wait. Am I on it? Here.
Yeah, you're on it.
I mean, look at that yacht. God damn. You know?
It is. That is a good. It's interesting.
Yeah. Pervy hippo. You know?
There's a Hugo Boss inside that mall that you're about to walk into. So go in there, and that's going to be a nice suit you can get. One that you'll actually wear again.
When?
I don't know if you ever have to go to a wedding or another award.
Bro, I'm done. We're past all that. You were the last wedding that I went to.
Right.
A funeral? Who's going to care if I show up in the dead person's not going to care if I show up in shorts.
Right. Well,
I think they would want me to show up in shorts.
You're going to have to go to a wedding at some point.
For who?
We have Jonathan. You have Sammer.
None of them are getting married.
You
Ever.
Don't know that. You don't know that.
I do.
All right. Our next award. There you go. Patience you must have. That's what I'm talking about. Patience you must have goes, Adam, you're going to have to wear a suit to your next award. The next award. There it is. They're right. They're right.
Can you win an Oscar for AI analysis tool?
No, you cannot.
You sure?
I got to tell you, Terry Callahan is a wealth of knowledge.
Yeah.
He said that those statues are called the arms of friendship.
Oh, now I feel like an asshole, Terry. So thank you.
Yeah. See? But I feel like Terry always has like some good info. He like pops in on the live stream. And I feel like when I look at I can't really see his picture on the YouTube thing. It's because it's small.
He looks baller.
But he looks like what's his name? Who's the guy from Shark Tank?
Shark Tank. Yeah, the real estate guy, Robert.
Robert's not real estate. Robert's software. But yes, he looks like Robert from Shark Tank.
Yeah.
So every time I see his icon on YouTube, I think of Robert from Shark Tank.
I like it.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna go into Westfield Mall and make someone's life difficult. Tell them I need it hemmed.
Yeah. Good luck. They're not going to be able to do anything for you. You're going to have to get it right off the rack, which means your pants are going to be probably a foot longer than they're supposed to be. And I just wish you nothing but the best of luck. My suit is completely custom tailored, so I'm going to do my best.
You see this?
Yeah, Adam, yes, bro. I live here. I know what it looks like.
Bro, when's the last time you went down to Wall Street, bro? When you got that fake Trader of the Year award? Is that one?
Yes.
They've given them shits out like candy that year. Jesus.
Okay.
Oh, there's a turkey steak in here.
Go get a suit.
All right.
I'm gonna say bye to everybody now on the live stream.
Bye, everybody on the live stream. Oh, there's an Apple store. Do you need anything from Apple?
No, not that I can think of.
Joe, put me on the big screen. This place is big.
It is a huge mall.
It really is, though. No?
Yeah.
It's very sterile. There's like it's a lot of white, like a hospital.
Right.
You know what's weird? My headphones don't work with the with I guess Restream, but I haven't taken them out, and they're noise canceling because they make me feel safe.
Okay. Whatever makes you feel more comfortable, buddy.
I just wanted you to. Someone goes take a shot every time Mike cringes. I'm gonna be here a minute. I've actually done far worse.
Oh, there's
James.
Life. There's James. James Thomas goes, I'm signed up. Yep, that's the James that we welcomed before. James, welcome, buddy.
Welcome,
We're still
dude.
waiting on you, Jason. Jason's still a no-show.
Everyone thinks that like I embarrass you or stress you out.
You don't embarrass me at all. Sometimes you stress me out.
Yeah, but not because I embarrass you.
No, not at all.
Guys, I'm a lot more upfront than he is. But he's just as inappropriate in real life when the camera's not rolling. I just have less to care about because I'm not an award-winning hedge fund trader.
My God, dude.
Anyways, for those of you, how many of you are in Gio's program real quick? Type the number 5 if you're in Gio's program. Are there any 5s? Okay, so I know that I owe you guys the tool. Okay, it's coming. When I put it on, so we had it on our local server. When I deployed it to development, I'm getting a bunch of errors on it. So I have to figure out why. I'm going to work on it tonight, hopefully get it done tonight and on working tomorrow morning. But that is the only holdup right now, okay, is that it was working locally. There's something not working when I put it to deployment. So I will figure it out just like I always do, but I have not forgotten about it.
Ooh, Glenny. So Adam, Glenny just said Italy is in that mall. You
Yeah,
guys,
I know. I've been to Italy with you.
I know it's fantastic. They actually just opened one in the mall that's actually by me that when we take the baby to go see Santa, we're actually going to go eat there. It just opened up in the Short Hills Mall here in New
Are you
Jersey.
going to tell your kid the truth
I mean, eventually.
about the award, not Santa?
I don't. Oh man. But yeah, you guys should go eat at Italy. Go get your suit and go eat there.
If I eat at Italy, I may not fit in my suit because my Manjaro was a little bit late coming this week, so it's been a couple days.
Or if you want well, you're not gonna be able to get a reservation there. Never mind.
I'm good. I gotta get the tool for Geo done back at the hotel.
No, I was gonna tell you to go. My favorite restaurant in New York City. I was gonna tell you to go, but you wouldn't be able to get a reservation. You got to book a reservation like 2 weeks in advance, so you wouldn't. It doesn't matter.
Mike, can you talk to us about SMCI?
Why?
Because everyone. First of all, walk me through this. What is SMCI, real quick?
It's a company, Super Microcomputer Inc.
Yeah, no, Super Microcomputer Inc.
Right. It's a semiconductor related stock.
Got it. How much is it?
$25 a share.
I see. What is the float? Do you know?
I don't know. No.
A high as fuck.
I don't know. Not off the top of my head. I don't know.
It's high.
Why?
Are they a good company?
Well, they're being accused of lack of transparency in their financials and accounting fraud right now.
Oh.
But so what happened was Ernst & Young resigned.
Well, who's Ernst? Ernst & Young is a joke, right?
No.
Yeah, I know. Go ahead, continue.
Resigned. Right. Ernst & Young resigned as their auditor, and they just announced that BDO is their new auditor. So the stock just popped from 21 to 25 after hours because of that news.
Got it. And I think that, has it gone up significantly in the past year or something, like everything else, like a sympathy play to the other conductor stocks?
Well, yes, but now it's down. So in the last couple of years, it went from like $8 to $120. Now it's at 25.
Did it do a reverse split to get back down to that price?
No, it sold down to that price.
Right, after it did a reverse split, of course. Nothing goes from 120 down to 25.
No.
Oh, wow. So why did it do that?
I mean, I don't know. Where are we going with this? What are you trying?
I just assume that it's a giant piece of shit, and that the people that are asking about it are asking about it because they own shares higher, and they're excited that they can get out of it, which is great, and I hope that they do.
No, it's not that it's a giant. I mean, Nvidia is their biggest customer. I mean, it's not a giant piece of shit. It's not
Okay.
I
have no idea.
They actually were added to the S&P 500 a few months ago.
Okay, so then why don't you like talking about it then? Whenever you don't like talking about something, I normally don't just assume it's...
I did not like talking about it. I just didn't know why you were asking me to talk about it. So the stock has recently gone down a lot because of issues with, they're being called out for, funky accounting, and the stock got crushed because of that. So now the stock's bouncing 35% today.
Joe, mute Glenny for me. Go ahead. Sorry. Go ahead, Mike.
What?
No, nothing. Go ahead.
So the stock got hit because of that. And now it's bouncing back because they've brought on a new auditor and looks like they're going to try to get back up and get back compliant with their filings. And they said that they were going to push back their filing. And yes, guys, I know it did cheese. Guys, yes, I know there was a stock split. There was not a reverse stock split. There was a forward stock split.
I heard Elon Musk is buying it. Is that true? Mike, what are your thoughts?
There was a forward stock split. What? Where did you totally just make that up? You totally
I did make that up. I did make that up.
Because I feel like I'm going back.
Oh.
All right, I'm at Hugo Boss. I'm gonna go in and see what I can do.
Good luck, man. Hugo Boss has some nice suits.
Yeah, it's been a while since I fit a Hugo Boss. You know what I mean?
I hear, dude. I'm excited. Go get something. Hit me up later.
Just stay on the live stream until I get the suit so I can show everyone. Guys, we'll continue this on my OnlyFans. It's onlyfans.com/chubby Jewish feet. I'll open it up for free so you guys can watch me try on suits, but you got to tip or I'm not going to do it.
All right.
All right. I'll talk to you later.
Later, man. Bye.
All right, bye.
Jimmy Benchin, I see. So you're taking the wife to the city for the holidays. My favorite restaurant in New York City is Marea, Marea. It's in Columbus Circle. Marea. It is out of this world. It is out of this world. It's like it's an Italian seafood type of place, but they have great pasta and great seafood and great atmosphere, and you're right by Central Park. You got Columbus Circle right there. It is my favorite restaurant. So Marea, but it's very difficult to get a reservation. You gotta book. If you want like a regular time, you don't want to eat at 5 or 10, then you gotta book like 2 weeks in advance. All right. Okay, folks, that's it, guys. That does it here for us. All right. That does it for us. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. It was a very eventful stream. I'm glad that Adam is in New York City and getting a suit. That's good news. We got a busy day tomorrow, right? So I'll see you guys back on here tomorrow. What do I order? So my favorite thing there is that they have a pasta that's made with, there's bone marrow and octopus in the pasta, in the sauce. It is out of this world. It might sound like, oh, what the hell, octopus and bone marrow? It is out of this world. So that's my favorite thing on the menu. I get it every single time that I'm there, and I rotate. Honestly, I get different stuff. I've never had a bad meal, ever. Yep, the fusilli. Yeah, he knows it. The fusilli. Yeah. Wow, are you looking at the menu right now, or have you been there? I feel like everybody's on the website right now. They're all looking up Marea. They're all looking at the menu. Everyone's checking it out. But it's my favorite restaurant. I love it so much. I love it. It's so good. And I've been there. So I've seen. I forgot the woman. Who's the older woman from the mother in Waterboy, and then the woman that was the butcher in American Horror Story. I forgot her name. That actress's name. I forgot her name. But I've seen her at Marea. I've seen Jerry Seinfeld at Marea. I've seen Howard Stern at Marea. And who else? There was one other celebrity that I saw at Marea. I can't remember. Who was the fourth? I forgot. It doesn't matter. I forgot. There was somebody else though that I don't remember who it was. But anyway, doesn't matter. We're good. I'll see you guys all later. I'm going to jump. Hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Again, go to ttgoffer.com. There's only 6 of these spots left for the 747. For the 747 price point. If you guys have any questions, just text us 1-888-621-2127. For those of you that are in New York City enjoy Maria. If you guys go, let me know if you liked it. I love it. Let me know if you guys liked it. All right. I'll see you guys all later. Congratulations again. Everyone that was able to capitalize today on Coin, on Affirm, on VST, right from last night's live stream and right from the watch list and the game plan. It was just a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, all across the board here for the TGG fam. All right. Have a wonderful night, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. And the next time that you and I talk, well, members, I'll talk to you in the morning. But the next time the YouTube crowd and I talk, I'll be at the NASDAQ. I'll see you guys.